Hi everyone! Welcome to Parenting Tips, the channel that helps you become the best parent you can be. Today we're going to talk about common parenting mistakes parents do while raising kids. As parents, we all want to do our best to raise happy and healthy kids. However, sometimes we make mistakes that can have negative consequences for our children. In this video, we'll discuss some of the most common parenting mistakes parents make while raising kids. We'll also provide tips on how to avoid these mistakes so that you can become the best parent you can be, so make sure to watch the video until end and don't skip anything. Mistake number 1, being overprotective. While it's natural to want to protect your child from harm, being overprotective can actually do more harm than good. Overprotective parents may prevent their children from taking risks or trying new things, which can limit their growth and development. To avoid this mistake, try to find a balance between protecting your child and allowing them to explore and learn on their own. Mistake number 2, not setting limits. Another common parenting mistake is not setting limits. Children need structure and boundaries in order to feel safe and secure. Without limits, children may feel anxious or overwhelmed, which can lead to behavioral problems. To avoid this mistake, set clear limits and expectations for your child's behavior. Be consistent in enforcing these limits so that your child knows what is expected of them. Mistake number 3, not listening. A third common parenting mistake is not listening to your child. Children need to feel heard and understood in order to develop healthy self-esteem and confidence. When parents don't listen to their children, it can lead to feelings of frustration and resentment. To avoid this mistake, take the time to listen to your child's thoughts and feelings. Show them that you value their opinions and ideas. By being aware of these mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, you can become a better parent and help your child grow into a happy and healthy adult. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips. Please subscribe for more parenting tips.